Hey, it's Ree with WTI, and I just had to share with you how much I love these Propolis shots by B&U. This year, I had a goal of taking the best care of myself, and these shots have helped me reach that goal and have really put a little more pep in my step, which I really needed. Both my husband and I have been taking them, and what we first noticed was that they taste really good, kind of like a mellow orange juice, and we noticed even in the same day, we ended up having more energy, and this kept on increasing the more consistent we used it, so we now take one a day. I appreciate how versatile and easy these are to use. They are tiny and shelf stable, so they easily fit in my pocket or purse for wherever and whenever I need them, whether that's just at home, on the road, or out on a hike. We are very careful about what's in the products we take and really researched it and love the thoughtfulness of the quality that B&U puts into every single product. The mixture gives an essential dose of zinc, vitamin C, and D, along with Anatolian propolis, as they have been known to show synergistic functions for the immune system. Now, you only need one a day for this. We could not be happier with these B&U propolis shots. I just love everything about them. You just gotta try one for yourself. I think you're gonna love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.